I'm Connor, and I'm going to show you how to replace the lamps on a Genesis Air RGS. First, what you want to do is remove your pre-filter so that you have access to your PCP compound. Undo the screws on your filter door, and that will allow you to open up the door and pull out the pre-filter. Next, you want to take out the panel, undo the top electrical connection. Alright, so for unplugging, put your fingers between and squeeze these two and pull down. Should unplug. Alright, now that we've gotten the panel out, be careful not to shake it around or anything because there are lamps in here and you don't want to damage the lamps. We're going to remove the lamp plugs, and when you do this, you're going to wiggle the plugs back and forth and they should come out fairly easily. Once you have those out of the way, you're going to remove the 8 screws that are holding the lamps in place. This will be using a 5/16 screwdriver. Once you remove all of the screws, you can pull the lamp out and check it. Make sure that it's the same size as the lamp that you were using to replace this one with. And now I'm going to show you how to put in the new lamp. Just put it in the same hole, and if it's difficult to push in, you can twist back and forth, and that will allow it to go in smoothly. Line up the holes and put in your screws and start tightening the screws. Alright, now that you've gotten all of your screws tightened, we're going to put on the lamp plugs. So take your lamp plug and place it on the pins. If it doesn't go in at first, you can turn it 90 degrees and it should snap into place. Do that with both of your lamps. And now you're ready to put your panel back in the RGS. Alright, now once you've placed your panel back into the body of the RGS, connect the electrical connection at the top. To replug, position the pins so that they line up and push in until you hear a click. You can put in your pre-filter. Make sure that the direction of airflow on the filter is pointed inward. Close the filter grill and tighten the knobs. Once you have plugged in your RGS, you can turn it on by twisting the knob. That way you can check whether you replaced the lamps correctly. You should see a little bit of a bluish green glow coming from the filter grill. That means the lamps are lit. If you have any questions, you can always contact us. Our website is genesisair.com. If you need any parts or supplies, we also sell those on our website.